Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to upload photo or video in Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly, just go ahead to your Terabox applications over here, and if you wanna upload the video or the photo from your phone to your Terabox account here, just go ahead to this plus button at the bottom, the black background. I'm gonna tap on it, and we'll find out here the files, which is photos or videos. You just have to tap on the option. For example, I'm gonna upload for my photo. First, I'm gonna choose the photo that I want to upload it like this. You can simultaneously upload it, yeah guys, like this, until there will be a checklist on the photos frame. Now after, go ahead to this upload option at the bottom, and it is processing. As you can see, when it's done, it will automatically go back to this recently page, yeah guys. And if you want to upload the video, just go ahead to this video options, and now just choose the videos that you want to download it like before. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me how to upload photo or video in Terabox on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.